With USI, your business will be accelerating through design and solutions. We strive to be your most reliable provider of electronic design manufacturing services and miniaturization excellence. Together, with a steel flash, we are expanding our leadership position to offer you localized manufacturing through 30 manufacturing sites in Asia, Europe, Americas, and Africa. With our global resources and end-to-end solutions, USI-Mexico, located in Guadalajara, Tijuana, and Tonala, is well-positioned to offer expertise, support, and value for you and your customers in automotive, cloud computing, industrial, IoT, medical, and energy management. We ensure quality at every step, from design, testing, manufacturing, to after-sales and added value services. USI-Mexico is your trusted partner in providing consistent quality from medium to large and complex production with cost efficiency. USI-Mexico has more than 100,000 square meters of operational space spread between our 3 sites. Each site is equipped with advanced equipment to provide various services. USI-Mexico's strength is to bring a simple, fast, and complete collaboration with your teams while offering you impeccable service. The strategic location of Guadalajara, Tijuana, and Tonala allow for lower costs, open trade agreements, and access to a skilled workforce. This is an optimal location for having some of the world's most active border crossings and international transportation options to ship your products to North America and around the world. Mexico has a lot to offer with its rich history, vibrant culture, and strong growth. Guadalajara, often referred to as Mexico's Silicon Valley, is also Mexico's 3rd largest educational hub. With over 25,000 contacts and 25 years of experience, USI-Mexico is your trusted partner.